You're bidding on a Wilton. This is a model 5816. This is drill press. And pretty nice shape. This came out of a local school. It was sitting in the warehouse. They eliminated their shop program. So it has different safety features on it, like this NEMA 1 box, NEMA 1 starter, that the schools, you know, they have to have a disconnect right there. So it's got a NEMA 1 starter. Pretty nice shape. Bed's not all full of bugger holes from drills. Base is good. Minor surface rust from sitting. It's not, this will go up and down. It just needs oiling. I can't read it, but there's pictures. I think it's a 1 horsepower. Looks like it's all here. It needs the hand wheel for the speed. That's just the standard hand wheel that has, you know, the hole for the set screw. Not much else to tell you. It's nice and quiet. Doesn't appear to have had a lot of use on it. You can hear that starter kicking in. Pretty nice piece of equipment. It's not all beat out. Good luck bidding.